Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technethical. In my previous videos, I have explained about programming languages and its types, and also we have discussed about C programming language in detail. So let's move on to the installation part. In this installation process, we would need a C compiler and also a code editor where we write our code and then run it. Now, let's install the compiler. Just go to your Google search and type in mingw C compiler. Click enter, and the first link that you find on your search page, that is from sourceforge.net, just click on it and click download. So yeah, your download will start shortly. It should, yes. Now there is a .exe file that got downloaded over here. Just click on it and you will get this installation manager setup tool. Just click install, continue, and yes, it will take some time to install, guys. So in the meanwhile, let's just revise our previous videos topics, like why is the compiler used, and what is the high level language, what is low level language, and let's discuss about C programming language also. Now, high level language is the language that is used to give the instructions to the computer, and that is read by our by us, the humans. Now just click continue on this, and yes, you will get the installation manager pop up here. You just click on this checkbox, right click on it, mark for installation. Yes, do the same for all the checkboxes. Yes, mark for installation, mark for installation, mark for installation, mark for installation, and click on the installation here, apply changes, and then click apply. Yes, guys, it's gonna take some time, so yes, let's revise. So high level language, yes, I've talked about high level language. Low level language is the language that is understood by the computer. That means it is the computer readable code. Now, why are we downloading the compiler? Compiler is used to translate the high level language, that means the language that is understood by us, the humans, to the low level language. So yeah, that's all we have talked about, like in the first video. In the second video, we have talked all about C programming language. So C is a general purpose procedural programming language. Now, procedural programming language is nothing but procedural programming is nothing but following a step-by-step process in order to solve a complex problem efficiently, like within the time. So we have discussed about the key features of C language also, like which are portability, rich library, close to hardware programming, and efficiency. C language is known for its efficiency because of its simple structure. So when a programming language is having a simple structure, obviously it would be easier for the compiler to translate it to the machine understandable code, right? So C is efficient and C is portable also. By portable, I mean if you want to run a C code on different operating systems, you just need to make minimal changes to the code to make it run on different OS. So this is what makes C language very portable. Now, close to hardware programming is another feature. So close to hardware programming is nothing but now the software developer uses the high level language, right? So high level language is used to give a set of instructions to the computer. Now, C programming gives the low level access along with the high level language. Let me explain that for you. Now, as a human or as a developer, I only give the set of instructions to the computer using high level language. Then I would not have any control over the hardware components of the system, right? So with C language, it gives the developers the control over the hardware components also. which makes it very reliable. So yeah guys, so this is the quick overview of our previous both the videos. If you guys haven't checked that out yet, I'll keep the link in the description of both the videos. Just check them out. So yes, now I guess we are done with this. So yes, just click close. Just click on this checkbox and click close. So yeah guys, we have we are done with the installation. Just click quit. Now let's move on to the installation of the code editor. That means where we write the code and run it in order to get the result. Now let's download our code editor. Just go to your Google search, type in Visual Studio Code. So you have got it. And just go to the first link and just click download. And now your download is getting started. So yeah, let it get downloaded. Yes, click on this .exe file. Then click on I accept the agreement. Next, next, next. And you just have to click next, next, next and all. So here if you want to create a desktop icon, just click on this and next, install. So now Visual Studio Code is getting installed on the computer. Now the installation is completed. So let's just click finish. Yes, now the code editor is opened. So now this is the welcome window. You just have to go to extensions now. Now the extensions is over here on the left hand side. Just click on extensions and type in code runner and enter. You will see there are so many code runners over here. Let's just click .run. And on my system the code runner is already installed. What you will do is you just click install on your screen. And now when the installation is completed, click Ctrl N. And you will have to select a language. You just select C over here. Just click on select a language. Click on C over here. And yes, here is where you will write your code. So in the next So guys, now that we are done with the installation of the compiler and also the code editor, let's just set the environment variables for MinGW compiler. Now, after setting up the environment variables, then I'll explain why are we setting that up. Yeah. So for that, you would need to go to your Windows search and then you have to type edit environment variables. Then you will get this. Just click on OK. So when you click on that, you will just get this environment variables. So just click on path and just give edit. So here you have to give the path of your MinGW compiler. Like you will have a path, right? That is where your MinGW is stored. For example, it is stored here for me. Like see, in this PC, it is stored over here. I'll click over here. You will find a folder called bin. You will just click over here. Then you will just copy this path. And what you will do is you will just click new over here. Then you are giving this path over here. And then you will click OK and again OK. And that is how your environment variable is set. Now, let me tell you why we have set up that environmental variable. It is the way of telling your computer where to find the important tools when you are programming. Let me give you an example. For example, you are cooking and you have a big recipe and you are cooking in a very big kitchen with a lot of ingredients placed in racks. Now for your recipe you need a particular type of spice. Instead of just searching for it in the entire kitchen and wasting your time, what you will do is you will just go to that particular rack where all the spices are found. In this way you are just saving the time. In the same way, setting up environmental variables is the way to tell our computer that this is where you will find all the important tools that are required for the C programming. So that is why we have what do you say, we have set up the environmental variables. So yes, that is all for this installation video. In the next video we'll be writing our first C program. So yeah, if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.